Hey, how's it going? It's me, Briggs, back from another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you 10 Lego building techniques that will make your mocks more spicier. So let's get building. Alrighty guys, the first building technique involves plates and triangular plates. And all you have to do is put the triangular plates on the larger plates, as shown in the video. If you want, you can put large plates on both sides. And this building technique is an awesome technique if you're trying to make something angled, or if you're trying to make something with a pop of color. Let's take a look at the next building technique. The second building technique I would like to show you is this cube technique. As you can see, it is three-dimensional. That means each side has a plate on it, and you can build on each side. To build this three-dimensional cube, you're going to need to take those 1x2 folder pieces and connect it to a 2x2 plate, and keep placing those 2x2 plates on each side. And as you can tell, each plate is different color to make it stand out. Now let's go take a look at the next technique. Okay, the next technique involves many hands and a plate piece. So go find your minifigures, take their hands, and place them on the plates. You're gonna have to place in each stud and in the middle of the studs. This is very tedious work, but at the end I think the look is worth it. Now where could you use this cool technique? Well, I have some ideas. You can use it as a roof for maybe middle-aged mocks, or maybe even a sidewall technique. If you're gonna use this technique, tag me at rbricksofficial. I'd like to see what you use it for. Now let's go take a look at the next technique. Numero cuartos, the next one on the list. Did that sound good? Because I just practiced in my Spanish class. Well, what you're gonna need for this technique is hinge plates, 1x1 round studs, and 1x1 plates. And how do you build this technique? You're gonna need hinge plates and connect on one stud of each of the hinge plates, as shown in the video. And those extra 1x1 plates, you can fill it up with 1x1 studs and 1x1 plates. Now you may be questioning, what is this for? I created this technique maybe for people who build castles. They can build a castle tower if they keep doing this over and over again, or you could even build a curved wall. Okay, the next tip is for people like me who have a lot of police sets and you have a lot of these jail doors. Now you don't know what to use them for. Well, I thought of a cool idea. Is you take these clips, connect them to those jail doors, and boom, they're a fence for farm animals. The next technique I like to talk about is a technique I called slope wall technique. What you're gonna need is slopes and studs on the side pieces. And what you do is place the cheese slopes on a plate and keep repeating them many times. And as you can see, it adds a jagged texture look. As you guys can see, each one of those rows is a different color. I built it that way so you can have an idea. The brown cheese slopes is a good idea for a western mock. The brown ones for maybe a middle-aged mock. Just explore with different colors what you can build with them. Now let's go take a look at the next technique. The next technique I'd like to show you is how to build studs on the side pieces. It's actually very simple, so if you have a lot of pieces, you'll be able to build millions of these pieces. To build these studs on a side piece, you're going to need a 1x1 Technic piece and place a Technic pin inside. Now it's the same as the studs on a side piece. You can build a 1x1 studs on a side brick, as well as a 1x2 studs on a side brick. This technique is especially useful for those people who don't have too many pieces, like me. The next building technique is named elevated rug technique. To build this, you're going to need a plate and the following steps. Place 4 2x2 tiles. And at last, take 3 1x4 bricks and place a 1x4 tile on top of them and place them into the build. Number 9 on the list involves Technic pins and 2x3 plates. This technique is very simple to build. All you do is take those Technic pins and place them on the 2x3 plate. And that's about it for this technique. Let's go take a look at the next one. Now we're at the final technique of the day, and this one is actually pretty cool, so let's go take a look at it. And what you're going to need for this technique is a brick and clip pieces, and all you do is just clip inside of the brick. This is a very cool technique if you like to build sideways, or maybe some kind of overhangs or a roof design. Did you guys enjoy the video? Make sure to leave a like, and I also want to say thank you to those 1,005 people who found the subscribe button and decided to press on it. And I'll see you in the next one.